What's up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new episode from BackYardBoyz. If you guys are new to the channel, lightly tap the subscribe button down below. If you guys are enjoying the content, smash that like button. This intro is gonna be a little bit different than the rest, but I wanted to go ahead and tackle the review of this bike and tell you guys how excited I am regarding this bike. And I'm very picky when it comes to giving shout outs to companies and stuff like that, but this bike right here in particular, I fell in love with. I got this bike 2 days ago and I already put 48.5 miles on this bike. No joke, I took it everywhere. I literally did the most with it. I went through trail riding. You guys can see the bike is all dirty, my shoes are dirty. I did road riding 30 miles in a day on just the bike. I did everything. So I want to start off by saying huge thank you to Velowave for sending me this bike to review it. And if you guys do end up liking this bike at the end of this review, there's gonna be a link down below. Press that link, type in coupon code TIM. On top of the promo that's going on right now, you guys will get 50% off. Sorry, not 50% off, $50 off on top of the promo that's going on right now. So $250 off total. Don't know exactly when you guys are watching this video, but let's get right into it. So this bike comes in a big box, you know, like this. It weighs about 70 pounds, the bike. The front tire, well, let me tell you guys this. The assembly of this bike is super easy. So it comes just about all assembled. The battery's out of the bike, the front tire and the handlebars are off. It comes with all the tools necessary to assemble the bike completely from A to Z. Basically drop on the handlebars, tighten these over here, put the wheel on, and as you guys can tell, the front wheel is on a quick release. So all you do is pull that tab open, take the wheel off, and this thing fits inside anything. Fits inside my Tesla, fits inside my Jetta, fits inside my M3. Obviously not the best fitment inside the M3, and I wouldn't want to do it because I don't want to scratch anything, but it does fit in there. Let's go ahead and start off telling you guys all the features of the bike, and then we have a couple of videos showing you guys just having fun with the bike. First things, it's a 7-speed electric bike. So you have the option to either fully electric it. So it has a left-hand throttle, which is really cool because you can mob with your left hand and drink and whatever, you know. I was drinking water, Red Bull, whatever with my right hand. It's kind of pretty cool. Usually it's on the right hand, but it's on the left. You got the gears on the right hand. There's 7 speeds. All the speeds are right over here. And it's really nice and convenient if you're going uphill or anything like that. You can switch the gears to a lower gear, make it easy for you to go up the hill. 5 assist levels. So 5 is the hardest, or sorry, the easiest, which means it assists the most. The electric motor gives you the most juice on 5. I usually ride it just about on a 2 or 3. Just give it that little casual assist, and it's nice and fun. When I use this bike to work out, I put it on 0 and I mob through everything. I get my 45-minute workout in, and it feels great. And then if I'm far away from home, put the assist package on 5 and just cruise my way home and have fun. Got disc brakes front and back disc brakes. They stop on a dime, as you guys can tell. Everything's nice about this bike. This thing you can adjust super tall. You know, if you're just sitting like that, you can ride like that. Coolest feature about this bike, though, for me personally, is the fact that if you are complaining about range, which this thing has plenty of range in my honest opinion. It has anywhere from 25 to 40 miles is what the website says, depending on your assist and depending on how you're driving with pedals and with not pedals, uphill, downhill. It kind of ranges everything. I did 30 miles going up and downhill in a day, and I got 16% battery left. This was like full assist. And then another day I did like 20 something miles with number 1 assist, and I came home after 15 miles and I had 97% battery left. So it really depends how you ride to see how much range of battery you have. Another cool feature is the front shocks. So front shocks you can set up to how you like it. Right here you have a simple adjust, super soft. Look at that. And then if you want stiff as a barrel, you go like this, and that ain't going nowhere. I put it right in the middle. I'm about 200 pounds, so that fits perfect for me. Battery, look at this, boom and boom. You got a quick release on the battery. If you want, drop an extra battery in your backpack. You got double the range. Quick change on the go. Here's the battery. I even got this stuff still on it, brand new. Went off-roading, so yeah, you can charge the battery just by itself, or you can charge it through the bike. Also, awesome features as well. There's that, and you lock the battery. That way, no one can steal your battery. So that's that. I mean, I did a durability test. We took it on jumps. We took it everywhere, and this bike is absolutely perfect. If you guys are enjoying, or if you guys like this bike, there's gonna be a link down below. Cop that bike. Right now what we're gonna do is go work on that M3. We're gonna get it painted. We're gonna get it assembled. And the M3 is just about gonna be finished in this episode too, so stay tuned for that. Last little feature is this flashlight. It comes with as well. And it's kind of, or a headlamp, it's kind of pre-wired in there too. You can unplug it and plug it. And boom, ka-chow. It's super bright. I was driving this thing at night, and it's amazing. I'm actually gonna drive this bike home from work, which is about 17 miles home. So yeah, maybe I'll take some snippets and put it in the video. Now, let's go work on them three. All right, so long time waiting, but here's the new headliner. Brand new, no creases. And there's ours. Can't really see the creases on it, but there's the creases on him. That one is just brand freaking new. On top of that, we did get our front bumper and mirror. So that's super exciting. I already opened this up because I want to see what's here. But anyways, right now what the challenge is how to get that headliner inside here. I got a tape measure with me. I went ahead and measured what seems to be the widest point, which is from here to here, and it's right around 47 inches. Measured from there to here, it's about 46. And then on the front door, from there to there is right about 50. So I'm thinking what to do. I'm probably gonna pull this seat out right here, pull actually both seats out, take this door off, because this door should come off really easy. Should be a size 13 down here, this, and then this. And this door should just pop up and we can put it on a stand. That way I can get the headliner like that in there. So in and then up, some along those lines. Anyways, that's what I'm thinking. The other option we have is to get it in from here and then up. So like that, like, we'll see. All right, so before I pull the seats out, I figured, what if I try like this? Seems like we have a pretty flush opening. It's right here. So I'm gonna set you guys up on time lapse and see if I can get it in there. So I just tried fitting it in through here, and it seems like we're hitting that right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull the rear door off and try from here. Hopefully we don't crease the headliner or anything. Woo! A little sweaty. But if you guys want to know the way to put a headliner into a G80, it's gonna be through the rear seats, take the rear door off, or through the rear door, take the rear door off, fold these seats down, and then the headliner's gonna go in there and magically find its position. So, gosh, I'm so happy I got it done though. I'll go ahead and clip it in and then start taking all the parts from the old headliner, which is right there, and carrying it over to this one. Let's go. All right guys, so we got the headliner in and everything looks perfect. This headliner is brand new, and I'm super pumped that I got a brand new one because everything fit right on the money. The car looks absolutely mint inside. Everything works. As you guys can tell, it looks brand new. What we have going on right now is this little piece is blown. So I need to send this off to L&D Solutions, and L&D Solutions is gonna repair this and we're gonna get it back in a couple of days. But besides that, the next thing we gotta do is get this thing to paint. Unfortunately, I don't paint, and I'm gonna send this car off to paint to one of my painters, and he's gonna get it done, and one of his helpers is gonna get everything, you know, all the footage that he can. I just told him to take a little bit of snippets because my fans love to see paint coming onto a car, especially red. So let's go ahead and get this thing painted, and I'll see you guys back here in a few. All right, guys, I'm super pumped. We got the car back from paint. Basically, I dropped it off with a buddy of mine, and I had a buddy of his just film a couple of clips of the paint job. I don't got much time, so, you know, however, whatever his schedule was, he got it all painted, and it looks absolutely perfect. Inside, all this is painted. Exterior, take a look at this color match. So we're gonna go ahead and prop that down like this. But look at this color match right here. This door wasn't painted. Look at that, perfect. Rocker panel wasn't painted. Just perfect. And then this pillar wasn't painted either. He did give me like a packet of spray outs. It's like 12 different spray out cards just to get this color tinted and looking perfect. So right now what we're gonna do is take the front bumper off, start setting gaps, start assembling everything, getting this thing all road ready. Let's freaking go. Guys, right after paint and assembly, I took this thing down to alignment and got it aligned. I got the alignment sheets and everything aligned perfectly. We have no suspension issues whatsoever, so I'm super pumped for that. And oh my goodness, this thing is so fast. For it being completely stock, I am very surprised. For it being rear wheel drive as well, oh man, these roads are horrible here. Literally the only code we have is the driver restraint system, this one here, and I don't want to pull this off just yet because I can't drive the car with no seatbelt. So I want to get this video out, and then I'm going to send the seatbelt off. So in the next video, we're going to be installing carbon pieces, and this thing is going to be looking absolutely animal. It's going to be such a beast. It's crazy, but let's go. I mean, she moves, you know. Guys, let's go ahead and check this puppy out, and I'm gonna show you guys how it came together. Dude, I'm so happy that I got everything OEM and everything lined up so perfect. First things first, I wanna take a look right under here. I do have this plate over here, but I don't wanna put it on just yet because I'm gonna have a lot of carbon going on over here. And you guys stay tuned for that because it's gonna look absolutely stunning. But besides that, we got a new computer for this headlight because this headlight was busted. I got a new headlight actually and a computer. Got this thing programmed so everything functions properly. Super happy about that. We have a top plate here and a little rubber grommet piece that goes like this. I didn't put it on just yet because I'm gonna put the carbon stuff on like I just said. But besides that, everything lined up, painted inside the hood, looks perfect, and ka-chow. Literally the car came together like OEM. It looks absolutely perfect. Let's go ahead and do a run through around the car. Also mentioning the mirrors. Got my mirrors. Once again, thank you IAA for, you know, giving me the money for the mirrors. Everything worked out great. Got all the components for the mirrors, the camera and everything fits and works perfect. Carbon caps were off eBay. I needed something quick because I was driving with no mirror caps and it kind of looked ugly. But we got those on eBay. They fit really well, surprisingly for them being cheap. So I'm happy about them for the time being, and we'll see what the future holds. But besides that, the paint match of the vehicle and everything lines up absolutely stunning. Take a quick walk around because this is giving me some crazy feelings and some memories of how the vehicle was wrecked. And this is my dream car. These cars, like a car like this, just means so much to me because I told myself, I manifested, I said I'm gonna get a red G80 M3 with bucket seats, and that's it. And I'm gonna get it. Here we have it. My Lambo plate is another vehicle that I rebuilt that gives me also, you know, that feeling of accomplishment. Let's take a quick walk around all around. Ah, so gorgeous, man. I love this car. I literally just, Absolutely love it. One thing we gotta do is the seatbelt, and it's totally finished. Then we go into the mods. And once we mod it, you guys know my style is gonna be OEM plus. It's gonna be absolutely stunning. It's gonna be so sick. I don't know. Everything came together. I went into detail on the gaps. I went into detail on everything just to make everything so perfect that it looks like it's never been wrecked. You know, the gaps here are just immaculate. Here, everything. I don't know. I'm super happy. Fender liners are on, all the sensors, all the cameras, everything. There's no issues besides that driver's seat belt. Let's hop inside the car right now and have some fun with it. Show you guys what it's got. All right, guys, I have no mic on me right now, but I'm gonna wrap up the episode. I wanna give a humongous shout out to each and every single one of you guys for watching these videos. Shout out to Velowave, shout out to everyone that's been helping me with this build. I'm gonna link everyone down below in the description box. Check them out, subscribe to the channel, and I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. The next one is the best one. Peace out.